Hôm nay sẽ học một cái bài mà liên quan đến thời gian ấy, giờ ấy. AM với cả PM này. Để mình học luôn nhá, mình đọc luôn nhá. Sẽ là A trước này. Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning.
Câu này là câu hỏi mà em phải hỏi. 10 in the morning.
10 in the morning.
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.?
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
Alright, bye.
Okay, dễ đúng không?
Dạ.
Ngược lại nhá.
Mary, would you like to get something to eat with me?
Okay, when?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Okay, how about 1:30 p.m.
No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then.
How about 5 p.m.?
That's fine.
Okay, see you then.
Alright, bye.